So this is a LED reading light my wife bought off Amazon, and it's started to work intermittently. I think the fault's fairly obvious. You see it's flexing at the bottom end. So let's get it open. Only a thin flexible rubber membrane. Three screws here underneath. Let's get these out. This is a screwdriver reviewed in one of my other videos. It's not very good, but it's okay for this sort of stuff. What it is, if you get the right size bit, it's one rotating out. So let's find another one that does fit. One's a little bigger. I'll speed this bit up because you don't want to watch it. Got a lot in here, small circuit board and a lithium battery. No screws holding the battery and all the board. Let's get this this battery and this board out, I think. Let's try for the battery first. I think this might need a spudger rather than a screwdriver because we don't want to punch a hole in there. This was a bit fiddly. There is a sticky pad on the other side of the battery, and again I'll speed this through this because you don't want to watch it. It's pretty boring. You do have to be a little firm. Yeah, quite firm with this. Right, okay. Brute force ignorance, and it's out. As you can see, the fault's immediately obvious. It's this black wire's broken. Red and black wires from the battery, and then we've got you can just see on the right hand side there, red and white going up to the light, and the black wire was broken. So let's have a look at the light, the LEDs. Again, on the board, alternate yellow and white LEDs. You can have whites, yellows, or both on, so you get different levels of light and different temperatures of light. A couple of screws holding it on there, so let's get rid of those. Now let's use a spudger. Better. So we can see the black and the red are power lines. The white line takes the signal down to that board from the switches and these little microcontrollers on the top. The wire is obviously broken inside the metal plexi, for want of a better description. Those wires are in pretty firm. I don't think I'm going to get another one down there. You can see I'm applying a fair bit of force here, trying to get these wires to move with absolutely no joy. Try and straighten it up a little bit, that might make things a little bit easier. Now if that was moving, I'd see those wires on the other end move. They are well and truly gripped in there, so there's no way this is going to get fixed. Let's have a look, where are we? Yeah, a broken wire. I got the black wire out, but obviously I can't get another one in through there. Not a lot of point to do anything else with this. I'll just recover the battery and the LEDs, or the LED boards if I can do something with that. And that's about it really. Not else I can do with this one. Hope you found it interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye.